Hi, little bug. We're going to read this book again. It's called My First Touch and Feel Sound Book, Noisy Pets. Dogs make great pets. They love to run, play, fetch, and explore. Baby dogs are called puppies. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 puppies. Some dogs have special jobs, like herding sheep or sniffing out clues for the police. Rub the dog's tummy to hear her woof woof. Pet goldfish live in tanks or bowls. They breathe underwater using gills. Goldfish can change color depending on how much sunlight shines on them. With love and care, a goldfish can live as long as 30 years. Touch the goldfish scales to hear a splish splash. A rabbit's teeth never stop growing, so they have to nibble food all the time to keep them short. Rabbits love to hop. When happy, they jump and twist in mid-air. This is called a binky. Look at them sharing the grass. Pet the rabbit's tail to hear a crunch. A parakeet is a small type of parrot. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 parakeets. Parakeets are brightly colored with long tail feathers. Look how long. They can sing, talk, and learn tricks. Ruffle the parakeet's feathers to hear him cheep, cheep. Cats and their babies, called kittens, are very playful. They also like to relax. A cat can sleep for 15 hours a day. Look at it sleeping in the hammock. Cats can leap high, squeeze through small gaps, and balance on narrow ledges. They are truly gymnastic pets. Feel the cat's ear to hear her meow. This cat looks like one of our cats. Her name's Maxine. Now that you've read about all the pets, which one is your favorite? Well, we have 3 cats, so I'd say my favorite are the cats. Press the button to hear all of the pet sounds again. Cheep goes the parakeet. Woof goes the dog. Crunch, crunch goes the rabbit. Meow goes the cat. Splish, splash goes the goldfish. The end.